If your iPhone is showing SOS or SOS only instead of carrier signal bar, it means your iPhone isn't currently connected to your server network. This can happen because of an issue with your SIM or eSIM or any problem with your network settings. So first check your SIM or eSIM. If you are using a physical SIM card, then remove it, make sure it is inserted correctly and isn't damaged. And if you are using eSIM, then make sure the cellular plan is still active on your phone. After this, check if your wireless connection is experiencing any unexpected errors. If other people using the same carrier are also having connection problem, then the issue is likely with the carrier rather than your iPhone. And in that case, just wait or contact provider. And if it is working properly, then open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on General option, then click on About option. Now stay on this page for a few moments, and if a carrier settings update is available, then your iPhone should show a prompt to install it. So just follow the on-screen instruction to install the update and then restart your iPhone. Even after restarting, if you are still seeing SOS only at top right corner, then on the general settings page, scroll down to bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Within this section, click on reset option and then proceed with the reset network settings. Just click on it, then enter your iPhone passcode and confirm that you want to reset the network settings. After this, your iPhone will restart and reconnect to your cellular network. Also keep in mind that resetting your network setting will remove saved Wi-Fi network and their password along with other network settings. Now once your iPhone restart, check the top right corner of the screen and see if your carrier signal has returned. So that's it. I hope this guide helped you. Thanks for watching.